session we will see how to create drawings or annotations tables. Okay, we will see this one by one, how to add dimensions to the drawings. We will see this. Go to new, create a new drawing. Here click ok. If you want a template, you can choose the template. Just click ok. Recent part will be open here. So okay, I want this here. Okay, so this is has been locked. So to move this view here, go to view template, just click on lock view movement, untick this. You can just click on here and you can move this component. You can move this component here. Just click on the component and you can just move this. So this is the base view, so all the components will move according to this. Okay, I will place here. Just go to here and lock view components. Okay, so just how you can lock the components. So to add dimensions, go to annotation tab. In the annotation tab, you can see this the show model annotations. Simply click the model. You can see here show, and you can apply a model annotation will be shown. You can also show these types of model annotations. Okay, just click cancel. So we will add dimensions to the model. Go to the dimension, select the edge you want a dimension for. So I will click on this hole. The radius will be shown here. Just click ok. To place here, press the scroll wheel. Okay, so this is how you can create dimensions for the edges, so distance. Okay, and create simply just press the scroll wheel to place the dimension. Okay, if you want to select the surface, you can also select the surface. So this is the selection filter. Okay, select a reference, select a reference here. Okay, so if you want to select this edge also, press Ctrl and select this. So this is how you can create dimensions in Creo Parametric. Okay, and move this also. So if you want to give annotations to this, press Ctrl, this edge, then this edge, and you can give the dimension here. Okay, just press the scroll wheel to place the dimension. So this is how you can apply dimensions to the drawing wheels. If you want to apply geometric tolerance, you can apply here and give the geometric tolerance. Okay, this is how, and you can edit it from here. Okay, so you can add additional text symbols. Okay, symbols you can add here, composite frames and indicators, geometrical characteristics, whichever you want you can add it here. Okay, circularity you can add this from here, just edit it. Okay, and also add symbols here if you want to add symbols any. You can also add datum features. So this is how you can add datum features. Okay, datum features like this you can add here. You can also add surface finished symbol. Okay, and symmetry line axis, you can also add the symmetry line axis to this. Okay, then there is a draft feature. You can also add text here. Click ok. First we have to add the text here, then change the line styles here. From here you can change the line style of this. Let's select the, okay, so modify this. You can also modify the line styles. Okay, so you can also add table here. To add a table in the drawing view, go to table, then you can choose the rows and columns. Okay, so rows and columns you can choose here. So I want 5 by 4 table. Just place wherever you want, and you can add like table here. You just click on the table and you can add the text here. Okay, you can change the font style. And change the font style from here. Then you can change the height. You can click it bold, italic, underline. These are the styles. You can also add this text symbols here. This is how you can edit the table. Okay. Merge cells. If you want to merge these cells, you can merge it.